In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Weebly. Keeping your contact information up to date is essential for effective communication with your clients and customers. Whether you've recently changed your phone number or you're managing a new contact point for your business, this step-by-step guide will help you update this important detail in just a few minutes. To start, open your web browser and visit the Weebly website at www.weebly.com. Weebly is a user-friendly platform that allows you to build websites and online stores with ease. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click this button to proceed to the login page. Find the option to log in with Square. As Weebly now integrates with Square for easier management of your business, click on Login with Square and enter your login credentials. If you don't already have a Square account linked, you'll need to set this up first, following the prompts to ensure your accounts are synchronized. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard or overview page of your Weebly account. From here, locate and click on the Overview section. It's a central hub for managing the various aspects of your website and business, allowing you to see a summary of your site's performance and recent activity. Next, navigate to the General Settings. This area contains the core pieces of information about your site, including contact details. Once you're in the General Settings, look for the Edit option. Clicking on Edit will allow you to modify various fields, including your phone number. Find the section labeled Phone Number. It is here where you can update your contact number to reflect the most current information. Clear out the existing number and carefully type in the new one. It's important to enter the correct country code and number format to ensure there is no miscommunication. Once you've entered your new phone number, double check for any errors and typos. Accuracy is key, as this number may be used by your customers or clients to reach you. After confirming that everything is correct, save your changes by clicking on the appropriate button, often labeled Save or Update. And that's it, you've successfully updated your phone number on Weebly. This simple but essential task ensures that your contact information is always current, maintaining clear lines of communication with everyone who visits your site. By following these straightforward steps, you can make quick updates whenever necessary, keeping your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips and tutorials.